Yo guys, welcome back to another episode of Some Plays Game. Today, I'm going to show you what a strategy fidget cube is. Now, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment down below for the note. Hit that subscribe button right down there. Yeah, let's get into this. This is a fidget cube. It's just a box. You just go like that. No, it isn't. You open the box. Open these lids. Boom!
I'm ready to float the day away. Excuse us. Pardon the pups.
Look, it's the Paw Patrol. Go, pups, go.
There's Ryder. Whoa.
What you do? Sorry about that.
Sorry, Rubble. Hi, pups.
Things in the background. And it's
Ryder,
Paw Patrol again.
Big problem. No water in the pool. No water in the swimming pool.
So what you do is
What
like,
do?
in like
Don't worry, Alex.
class,
The Paw Patrol will fix
like,
it. No job is too big. No puppet's too
what does it
small.
say? So it's
Paw
like
Patrol,
work,
to the lookout.
class or home. I have one
Here I come.
for home and class. So what you like, I've got a blue one. It's much smaller. I'm gonna sneeze. So what you do, like play about with it. So it stops just like talking to people. And basically makes you do your work. You only do it when you like fidgeting.
Thanks for coming over in this heat, pups. We have an emergency. There's no water in the pool.
Yes. How can we cool off in a dry pool?
First, we have to find out why the pool's empty. It gets filled up from the town's water tower. For some reason, the water isn't getting from the tower to the pool. We need to find the problem and fix it. Marshall, I need you and your ladder to look at the tower. I'm fired up.
So you've got a little stick.
Rubble, I need your shovel in case
Go
we
side
need
to
to dig up
side,
the pipes
push
to carry
down.
the water to the pool.
You've
They
got
might be blocked.
some clicky buttons.
On the
1,
double.
2,
The rest of
3,
you pups
4,
go over to the
5.
pool. We'll fill
You've
it
got
in
this
no
little
time.
swirly
Let's
thing.
go! Paw Patrol is on a roll.
You've got fingers. Yeah, don't know what. Apparently, something here it says breathe. Got a little switch. Click. Light's not turning off. Why is the light's not turning off? Yeah, you got little rolly things. We'll mix it blow up. I'm supposed to drop this. Got this little rolly thing. That. And I'll tell you now. Joystick, spinner, switch, buttons, rollies, bread. No. It's called click, spin, flip.
There's our problem. The pipe holding up the tower slipped. That bent the pipe that takes the water to the pool. We have to fix the tower before we can fix the pipe.
Wait, no.
Wow, that's a big job.
No
Spin.
job is too big, no puppet's too small. We just need a few more paws on this case. Chase! The pipe from the water tower is bent. I need you and your
Spin.
winch and Rocky and his forklift. In a hurry. You've
got it, Ryder.
Ready, Chase?
Spin. Flip.
Chase is on
Is
the...
that Sky swimming hat?
No. Be right back. Chase is on the case.
Aww. Still no water in the pool. We have to find some way to help those kids cool
Got
down.
flip. Glide. Where's glide?
Be right back.
Where's glide?
Here are your ice lollies.
Glide.
Thanks, Mr. Porter.
Now you need to hurry. Those ice lollies won't last long in this heat.
Roll and breathe. I don't know what that was. Be sure to check that out in Amazon.
The kids will love
My
these.
giveaways.
Yay!
Now anyway.
Woohoo! Wait, I know ice lollies. Oh, melted goo. shame there's no mustard and ketchup.
These are like £9.99 or something. So check this out. Amazon.
Wow, the tower is really leaning.
It looks like it might fall over if we don't do something.
So yeah, be
Okay,
sure to
Paw
check that
Patrol,
out.
you each
And
have an important
that's
job
the box.
to do.
This is what it
Trace, I need
says.
cable hook and winch motor.
Click,
Cable hook and winch.
spin,
On the way.
flip, slide, roll, and move. So yeah,
Marshall, climb up and attach the hook to the corner of the tower.
be sure to check that out in Amazon. Goodbye. Goodbye. Stop the camera. Stop the camera.
I need you to put some
Stop
solid under the pad.
the
We can make the
camera.
tower